what does a dentist do?
Good morning, Koko. You have such a big smile today. What has got you so excited?
Good morning, Owlo. My mom told me I am visiting the dentist tomorrow, and I do not know what that means.
Ah, a visit to the dentist. That sounds like something wonderful for us to learn about together today.
My brother said the dentist pokes around inside your mouth, and honestly, that made me feel a little bit worried.
I understand that feeling completely, Koko. Many children feel nervous before their very first visit, so let's discover the truth together.
Okay, Owlo, I am ready to find out. What does a dentist actually do all day?
A dentist is a special kind of doctor who takes care of your teeth and your gums, keeping them clean and strong.
Gums? What are gums, Owlo? I do not think I have heard that funny word before.
Gums are the soft pink parts inside your mouth that hold your teeth in place, sort of like a cozy little blanket.
Oh, that makes so much sense now. So what happens when I sit in that big, tall chair tomorrow?
First, the dentist looks inside your mouth with a tiny mirror, checking each tooth to make sure it is happy and healthy.
A mirror, like the one I use at home to make my silly, funny faces every morning?
Just like that one, Koko, but much smaller so it can fit inside your mouth and peek into every little corner.
Does it hurt when the dentist looks around in there with that tiny little mirror?
Not at all, Koko. Looking with the mirror feels more like a gentle tickle, nothing scary happening at all.
Phew, that is such good news to hear. What else does the dentist do while I am sitting there?
Sometimes the dentist uses a soft little brush to clean away tiny bits of food stuck between your teeth.
Oh, like when popcorn gets stuck after movie night with my whole family on the couch.
Exactly like that, Koko. The dentist helps clean those tricky little spots your toothbrush at home might completely miss.
I bet the dentist counts my teeth too, just like when we count apples together in the garden.
What a clever thought, Koko. The dentist really does count your teeth, making sure every single one is growing in the right place.
What happens if the dentist finds a tooth that has a tiny hole in it somewhere?
If there is a small hole, called a cavity, the dentist can fix it so your tooth feels strong and happy again.
A cavity? That is such a strange and spooky-sounding word for something so small.
It simply means a tiny hole that can happen when sugary snacks stay stuck on our teeth for too long.
Oh, that must be why my mom always reminds me to brush right after I eat sweet treats.
Your mum is absolutely right about that, Koko. Brushing every morning and night helps stop those little holes from forming at all.
Owlo, can we practice being at the dentist? You could be the dentist, and I will open my mouth super wide.
What a wonderful idea, Koko. Let's walk over to the art room. I remember we keep a toy mirror there. Now, open your mouth wide and say, "Ah," just like you will for the real dentist tomorrow morning.
Ah, look, Owlo, can you see every single one of my teeth from way over there?
I can see all of them, Koko, and they look wonderfully clean, exactly like a real dentist would love to see.
This was actually really fun, Owlo. I do not feel scared about tomorrow anymore at all.
I am so glad to hear that, little Koko. Now, can you tell me what you learned about dentists today?
A dentist checks my teeth with a tiny mirror, cleans them with a soft brush, and fixes little holes called cavities. It does not hurt one bit. It just feels like a funny tickle, and brushing every day keeps those holes far away.
That is exactly right, Koko. Tomorrow you will be the bravest little fox at the dentist, ready with your best smile.
I cannot wait to tell my mom everything, and maybe next time we can learn why teeth fall out and grow back.
That sounds like a perfect adventure for another day, Koko. Sleep well tonight and remember to smile bright tomorrow. If you had fun today, ask a grown-up to get the free AskOwlo app for more stories. And don't forget to subscribe so we can make even more.